This is how to remove the four legs to divide into two because there's a cut in the middle. Okay, this type of chair is this type of table is you can stretch or expandable table. That's what you call this table is expandable or stretch table. So it's easy to remove the lock from the middle. Okay, there's a one side of screw to remove the side of one side of screw, and the other one is there's a screw. Okay, this is the Canadian style or American style table. You can pull it both side and instead removing the four legs to unscrew this. Okay, to unscrew this instead to remove that by 30 uh, open range and close range. So much better I choose the Robinson bit to remove this one side, so we can pull it both sides so we can divide into two. It's easily. Okay, so there's a one left screw. So we can divide into two now after this. Okay, that's it. So we can start to divide into two. Let's check. Four holes here, four holes, and one hole for both sides. So I think it's done. Instead, you remove this. This is the tips for you how to divide the two table. If you see the cut in the middle, okay? And if you see this, the meaning you can stretch out both sides, okay? Expandable table. See, that's what you call that different types of table, but it's good. So we need to replace now. So that's it for now, guys. So if you want to remove this table and divide into two, so it's easy to remove in the door outside. So much better. You cut in the middle by unscrew the Robinson bit. Okay. So this is a tips for you for today. Okay. Okay, see you guys. So hopefully you like this video or plug for today. So it's easy to remove. Oh!